welcome to my channel. If you haven't been here before, then hello. If you have been here before, then welcome back. Today we're going to be making Scrumptious Chocolate Mousse. So let's get on to the ingredients. So to make this food, we will need 100 milliliters of milk. We need 250 grams of chocolate. We need 1 teaspoon of instant coffee. We need 2 teaspoons of honey. We need 150 grams of plain yogurt, which is here. 100 grams of double cream. We need 50 grams of icing sugar. And we need 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, or if you have vanilla pods, then it's 1 pod. And optional, if you want anything to decorate, I have got some strawberries that I'm going to cut up. So after ingredients, we have to go on to the equipment because we need equipment. So what we'll need is we'll need a whisk, and if you don't have an electric whisk, you can just use like a balloon whisk like this. We need scales. We need a measuring jug if you haven't measured out the ingredients already. You'll need a knife if you're doing the optional choice. We'll need a pan because most of this includes the stove. And then you need a cutting mat, again if you're doing optional. And then using my magical power, ready? So you also need a really big bowl. If you're doing a tiny amount of mousse, for example to feed 1 person, you have to do less ingredients, but I'm doing it to feed my whole family, so I need a humongous bowl. Okay, so now what you need to do is you need to get your pan, walk over to the stove, and put it on the stove and turn the stove on. Okay, so now you need to put your 100 milliliters of milk and the 1 teaspoon of coffee together into the pan. So if I get my coffee here, and my teaspoon, and the milk, which is here, I've lost track of where everything is. I need to get my teaspoon here, and I need to walk over. Now we need to add the 100 milliliters of milk. And the 1 teaspoon of coffee. So it's like this. If you love coffee, you could add a heaped teaspoon. If you don't so much, a normal teaspoon. So now I'm going to use my spatula to just stir. Put it on the lowest possible heat whilst I do the next thing to do. I have now removed the pan from the stove, or what I did was I put it onto a not hot area, and now I'm going to add honey, yogurt and chocolate to it. So let's do this. So chocolate, honey, now I'm going to go over there and I'm going to add everything I need. Now I'm going to be adding my chocolate, honey and yogurt. Let's do this. Don't let it spill on you, but I just let it spill on me, so that's why I've got a tea cloth or whatever it's called. Next I need 2 teaspoons of honey. Going to melt the chocolate because everything in there is warm, so the chocolate will melt, and if it doesn't, maybe you could put it on the stove for a bit longer. So now I'm going to add my natural yogurt. It's completely plain. This is delicious. Smells good too. Now I'm going to give this little mix, and if it doesn't melt fully, I'm going to put it on the lowest heat it can go. And of course, to mix it, I have to use my special spatula because this is covered in coffee. The making of this mousse has two parts. So there's that part, and then there's a part with the cream, and then with the icing sugar and the vanilla. So we have to add it all together, and then we have to whisk it with this whisk. Or you could use a whisk like this, if you didn't have something like this. So I'm just going to whisk it. So, did you hear that? That's amazing. And then we need a teaspoon for vanilla essence. So first we're going to put this into the big bowl. And then bit by bit, I'm going to pour this in. Now of course I don't want to burn the work surface, so I've had this. So if I want to rest my arm, just put it down here. So it's tiny bit by tiny bit. That's how I'm doing it. So now I'm just finishing off mixing. And actually, if you've over whisked your cream, the chocolate for me has actually gotten rid of all those hard bits and it put it all together. So now I've got a really smooth texture, and I'm going to go and get my 4 ramekins. Start to pour the chocolate into it. So I'm just, so all my lovely viewers can see, I'm going to move them out of the way. Ramekins, right there, and I'm going to fill them all. Okay, so let me see what I can find. Okay, found it. So now I'm just going to get, feel like a dinner lady. Okay, so now I have filled all of them. I'm a bit messy, but I'm like, that's fine. I'm going to sort of lean over, not tall enough to lean over, but I've got them right here, and I'm going to put them on here. So we're going to put them in the fridge for a minimum of 3 hours. So I, of course, have to wait the minimum because I'm not very patient, as if you saw my last video, you will probably tell. So I have put them on a tray, and I'm going to put them in the fridge. Oh, look. There's a place right here. If I put them back. Let's pop them in. Hi guys, I'm back after 3 hours, and it's felt like so long, but I'm so excited to share with you guys. And in my time, I have cut up some strawberries. So I cut the tops off, which are now here, and then I cut them in half. So if you put them together, they look like little cat ears. So on the top of the mousses, I'm going to make little cat ears, and you can help me do it. I'm back again to do the lovely taste test. Let's pick one. Ah, this one. Let's go on the side. I'm so excited. I'm gonna get strawberry with it. No. delicious. Maybe don't take a bite, which is actually half of the whole mousse. The coffee is quite strong. It's good though. So that was delicious, everyone. So today I made scrumptious chocolate mousse. It is scrumptious, it's amazing. So for my next video, I'm going to be making something so scrumptious it's going to go hopefully. So my channel's all about scrumptious things and mainly sweet things because I'm such a sweet tooth. So if you want to see the next video, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. See you soon. Bye!